Creatives, Rebecca here. Welcome back to the craft.o.clock design team layout. And today we are going to use Seaside Greetings, and I'm going to create a shadow box plaque type thing. So it'll go into a picture frame. I just won't have the picture frame today. But this is the newest collection. It's called Seaside Greetings. And you guys know how I feel about the craft.o.clock paper. It's thick, it's great, it's just beautiful. So on the back of the cover sheet, they always give you a fabulous fussy cut apart. So that's real cute, and it's all about the sea. And we just got back from vacation. So this is number 1. You have this pre-made page for you, so you can just kind of like fussy cut right around here and tuck that in or get something going up there, but that is beautiful. And the back is this chevron red and white pattern on a plank. And I'm going to be using this page in the 4x4 size. Then you have number 2. Beautiful. I mean, just everything about this collection is gorgeous, right down to the wood grain. Then we have this one. Now, I'm actually going to be using similar. It's from either the junk journal or the extra set. I believe this is from the junk journal, the album junk journal set that you get with it. You can fussy cut. So I'm going to create this. I'm going to put it in a photo so that we can remember a portion of our vacation. And then a beautiful distressed blue and white. Lovely fussy cut flowers. And this is page number 4. That was page number 3. On the back is a cream and light blue alternating pattern plank going on there. The beach houses, how cute is this? I cannot wait to start creating beach layouts. And then seashells, lots of fussy cutting you can do on this sheet. Probably going to use the other side because you guys, when you get these collections, you can get these as well. So this is the extra set and the junk journal set, and it is full of fussy cut options. And they're double-sided. And so I just went through and fussy cut out a whole bunch of little elements just so I can jazz up my page a little bit. Look at how cool these are. I'm off screen, sorry. Now some of them are not, the junk journal is not double-sided, but that's okay because you get like several sheets, so it is awesome. So we're going to use this side because I've got this cute little envelope that I created here and a photo of me and my husband with the marina behind us. So I am going to trim this down. So that it fits nicely on the page. So it's going to be a 3x4. And we're going to mat it on red because, you know, red and blue reminds me of the ocean. So we're just going to go ahead and mat this up here. And like I said, I did all the fussy cutting and prep work beforehand because you guys don't want to watch me fussy cut an entire sheet, right? When we went on vacation, we drove, so I took a lot of these collections. I didn't have this one yet, unfortunately, but I took all the other collections that I had, and I just fussy cut my little heart out the whole way. Alright, I don't need that. Oh, and I'm also using the quotes, VII. I don't know what Roman numeral that is. So my idea is to take this little guy, and we're going to stick him here. And I'm going to use a lot of adhesive, more than I normally do, because it's not really going in a page protector, it's going in a shadow box type thing. And I'm going to pop that in right here. And then our photo is just going to kind of pop in right there. Just for a little extra added element of fun and surprise. Mostly so I can cover my knee brace up, right? So we're just going to pop that there, and then we're going to take all these little fussy cut items. And I store them in just little Ziploc bags. My son saying he made it to work. Alright. And then we're just going to start popping these guys right in here. So that well, didn't cut that one all that well, did I? But that's okay. I'm just gonna get, probably should have put some tape on the other side. I apologize. All right, we'll try that one more time. Okay. And I'm pretty sure I cut out a red lighthouse, but I did not. So we are just going to start tucking them in. And like I said, they're double-sided, so if it's not going to work this way for you, it will work that way, right? Another thing that I absolutely adore about these collections. And I do kind of want to get an anchor in there. I moved my ATG and it threw me off. I should not move my stuff, right? I'm just going to pop him right in there. And I am famous for top and down. So we're going to put this here, and then we're going to put this little guy right over him, right about. Maybe we'll just tuck him in over here. Just kind of getting some nice big elements on there. Like I said, this is going to go in a frame. And I like how we've got the decoration in the background. And then you just basically are decorating on top. So you have an added layer of dimension. Whoa. That was bad cutting, but that's okay. And then I want to get in these little flowers, and we're going to start running them off the page. Put in a little bitty, like, what is this, coral? And you just start kind of, I'm going to add, because it kind of looks like it's off in no man's land, but it's really not, because it's blending in with the background. That's my thought process anyway, right? Get a few of these shells in here. And no, I won't be using all of the flowers, but it's still fun to add them all over the little layout, or my little shadow box photo. And then we start tucking them under. And we are almost done. Like, seriously, how crazy is that? Tuck him in there. Like, we need a ship's wheel in here somewhere as well, because it's, you know, there's boats behind us. We're at the marina. And yeah, I just kind of keep tucking and layering until I find that it's looking pleasant to my eye, and you don't want it to be overly embellished. You don't want it to get too junky, right? Like, we got to keep it somewhat respectable. Oh, come on. So he's not going to tuck under anymore, but we're going to make him work for us. All right, so we're just going to come in over here. We're going to start trimming it off. And then if I want to add some more, we'll add more. But I like running things off the page. I feel like it grounds it. I don't know if there's a technical term for it. I've always called it grounding. You know, it makes it look like it's just set in there. It doesn't just end at the confinements of the paper. No, I absolutely love this. So let's give you guys a close-up look of what we got going on here. How cool is that? So that's just going to sit right on my mantle and document our trip. We did a whole bunch of fun stuff and using this fabulous collection. So don't, oh, you know what? I wanted to get these on here, you guys. I'm sorry. I apologize. So this one says, "Oh, it's together." Because he is my best friend. Outside of my son, he's my best friend. So let's just stick this right here. We'll layer that one over. And then Adventure Ahoy. Adventure Ahoy. I don't know if that's, I don't know. It's got a comma, so I like it needs to be said somewhere. Put it right here. And then we have Vacation Memories. And this will give it a little bit more dimension, which is why this is like a shadow box and not just a picture frame, because it wasn't going to fit. Alright, now I promise I'm done. So now we'll give you another close-up. We've got a whole bunch going on, but I think it is super cute. I absolutely love it. Don't forget to check out in the links below. There will be a link to a shop that sells craft.o.clock here in the States, and then also their website. Oh, that looks cute there. And also their website, so you can see where they sell, what stores and Etsy shops and stuff carry it in your country. Alright, seriously, we're done. Okay, so thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching me create this cute little picture. And I will see you later. Remember to be kind.